Let's talk Tel Aviv. Tel Aviv enjoys 300 annual days of sunshine. Once a week, about 300 rollerbladers hit the streets together for a group skate. Tel Aviv is home to about 100 sushi restaurants. That's more per capita than New York City or Tokyo. Tel Aviv has one of the highest dog-to-human ratios in the world. It's also known as one of the world's most innovative cities. The city is home to over 1,500 companies, mostly in tech, such as Rekor's office in Tel Aviv. Since 2016, they've been looking for ways to solve one of the world's biggest problems: fatalities from traffic incidents. Working with traffic management centers, law enforcement, transit, and more, the Rekor One traffic management system aims to break down data silos, open new channels of communication, and strategically manage resources, all with a commitment to a shared vision of roadway safety. Hit follow for more videos on how different cities are using technology to become smarter. Let's talk Seoul. Seoul has the fastest average internet connection speed in the world. In the airport, there are robots that help you get where you need to go, and it's where 5G started, which is 1,000 times faster than LTE. Seoul is the breakdancing capital of the world. It was brought to Seoul by American soldiers and has exploded. Seoul has twice the population density of New York City. In Seoul, everybody knows their blood type. Blood type is thought there to influence personality or characteristics. In Seoul, taxis are color-coded. Gray or white taxis are less experienced drivers, and black cabs are more experienced and more of a luxury. Drivers of lighter-colored taxis have had more accidents. You've heard of cities that never sleep, but this is especially true in Seoul. They have pubs, stores, restaurants, so many things are open all day and night. Seoul is a state-of-the-art city where people enjoy free public Wi-Fi, even on moving trains and buses. It also has the highest retention rate of smartphone users out of any city in the world. Hit follow for more videos on how different cities are using technology to become smarter. Let's talk Dubai. Dubai is home to the tallest building in the world, the Burj Khalifa. Dubai has had incredible rapid growth. Just 20 years ago, it was mostly desert. As a matter of fact, it grew so fast that it never had a proper address system. Instead of an address line on packages, there was a space where you could draw a map or give handwritten directions to where you live. I have no idea how that actually worked. In 2015, they finally added identifying codes to buildings to help with the process. 85% of people who live in Dubai are not from Dubai. The Dubai police force spends more on one of their supercars than it costs to send a child to college in the USA. They have Ferraris, Aston Martins, Lamborghinis, all sorts of crazy stuff. In 1968, there were only 13 registered cars in Dubai. Now there are millions. There are ATMs in Dubai that actually dispense gold bars. They love their gold there. Dubai is also a rapidly evolving smart city. The Internet of Things, big data, artificial intelligence, and other technologies are rapidly changing the way Dubai operates today. Hit follow for more videos on how different cities are using technology to become smarter. Let's talk Shanghai. Shanghai is the most populous city in China at 27 million people. 14 million people speak Shanghainese, but the language does not have an official written form. It's also not a popular language in any other place in China. Shanghai is known as the sweet-toothed city and is known for its high sugar consumption. Shanghai has more than 4 million visitors per year, making it one of the most visited cities in the world. More people live in Shanghai than the entirety of New Zealand. Shanghai is home to the fastest train in the world, with a maximum operating speed of 430 kilometers per hour. Shanghai's Disney Resort is 11 times larger than the original Disneyland. It's also one of the most advanced smart cities in the world. eGov services, digital infrastructure, integration of information technology, and a city brain make Shanghai a true leader in this field. Hit follow for more videos on how different cities are using technology to become smarter.